My dear children, welcome to the accountancy class. In this third module, we are going to study the important capital and revenue expenditures of the company. A very important distinction in accounting is between capital and revenue items. The distinction has important implications for making of the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. The revenue items from the part of the trading and profit and loss account, the capital items help in preparation of the financial statement, that is balance sheet. The revenue items helps to make the preparation of trading and profit and loss account, that the various revenue nature are salary paid, commission paid, rent paid, discount allowed, etc. Then the capital nature transaction helps to make the preparation of balance sheet. That means assets purchase, purchase of assets, building purchased, land purchased, etc. Whenever the payment or incurrence of an outlay are made for the purpose of other than the statement of existing liability, it is called expenditure. Expenditure is the various expenses of the company. The expenditures are incurred with a viewpoint they would give benefits to the business. The benefit of the expenditure may extend up to one accounting year or more than 1 year. It is termed as revenue expenditure. Normally, they are incurred for day-to-day conduct of the business. An example can be payment of liabilities or payment of rent, salaries, commission, etc. The salaries paid in the current period will not benefit the business in the next accounting period when the workers have put in their efforts in the current accounting period. They will have to be paid the salaries in the next accounting period as well if they are made to work. The payment to acquire the furniture for the use in the business is a capital nature. Then the furniture acquired in the current accounting period will give benefits for many accounting periods to come. The usual examples of the capital expenditure are purchase of assets, purchase of plant, purchase of machinery, purchase of building, or purchase of any other fixed assets. Now we are going to study the important differences between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. The first one is capital expenditure increases the earning capacity of the business, but the revenue expenditure is incurred to maintain the earning capacity. Then another point is the capital expenditure is incurred to acquire the fixed assets for the operation of business, whereas the revenue expenditure is incurred on day-to-day conduct of the business. Then revenue expenditure is generally recurring expenditure and the capital expenditure is non-recurring by nature. Then capital expenditure benefits more than one accounting period, whereas the revenue expenditure normally benefits to one accounting year. Then capital expenditure is recorded in the balance sheet, whereas the revenue expenditure is transferred to the trading and profit and loss account. For example, salary paid, commission paid, interest paid, discount allowed, etc. Sometimes it becomes difficult to correctly identify the expenditure into revenue and capital category. The advertising expenditure is termed as revenue expenditure. However, a heavy expenditure, advertisement expenditure, sometimes treated as a capital nature. Revenue expenditure is treated as expense of the current year and it is shown in the trading and profit and loss account. Salary paid by the business firm is treated as expense of the current year. Capital expenditures are also ultimately charged to the income statement and are spread over to more than one accounting period. For example, the furniture of rupees 50,000 if expected to be given for the expense is depreciation. The treatment of deferred revenue expenditure, sometimes it will be treated as capital expenditure. These expenses are also written off over their expected period of the benefit. These are the important differences between capital and revenue expenditure. Thank you.